In this video, I will guide you on how to add a clickable link to your Instagram bio. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Instagram app. Now tap on the profile icon. From here, you will find the option of edit profiles. Go ahead and tap on that. Now look for the option of add link and tap on that. Here, tap on add link again. First, you want to enter the URL. Once you have entered that, you can also add in a title, which is optional. Then you want to tap on this tick mark option. Now you can add multiple links if you want, so go ahead and add another one. If you want to reorder your link, simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner, then select reorder links. Now drag to arrange which links will appear first. Once you're happy with the result, click on the tick mark option at the top. Once that is done, head back to your profile and then check if the link opens correctly. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.